So I did a little bit of work today, cleaned up the bike a little bit. It's coming out pretty good. Gotta have the VP sticker. Wired up my kill switch. Comes down here, ground. Comes down here to the switch. It's a little, I painted the shroud. Used to be blue. I'll start it so you can hear it. But it came out nice. The wheels came out nice. This steel, I didn't want them to rust, so I clear coated them right when I got them, before I even put them on. So that seemed to work out. The aluminum tank, I had to just hit it with some steel wool. That cleaned right up. Same thing with the shroud. Hit it with some steel wool and painted it just to rough it up. But I had a bunch of stickers that I ordered when I was doing my cart. I said, you know, might as well use some of these. I really like this one. It's like a plaque, USA. So this is a 460 stroker with a 335 grind cam, but it's actually measured out to like 340, 342 when I did the measurements. And then it's got 3-to-1 gauge roller rockers. It's got a brisk spark plug, a Honda coil, a Briggs & Stratton Junior Dragster flywheel, really small one. You can't really see it, but at least it's covered by something nice now. It's got a 34mm Mikuni carb on it. Ported head, milled 85 thousandths, big valves. Hey, bunny. Big valves. It's a 38, 35 welded combustion chamber, 22 cc's on a 460. So I'm at like 14 something to 1 compression ratio with the valve reliefs and the head gasket. I'm obviously running on VP race fuel, C12 at the current time. Mikuni carb VM 34. This has been port matched all the way through. As you see, you don't see any ridges. So it's a 34mm all the way through. The carb is currently jetted out at a 147.5 round main jet and a 35 pilot, air screw 1.5 out, needle in the center clip position. Timing right now is at 34 degrees. Hoping to get it to 36 degrees, but there's a couple things I got to just take care of first. It's got disc brakes, 16-inch back tire, it's a 10-inch front rim with a 17-inch front tire. wrap, 1.25 inch inside diameter exhaust with the RLV muffler. Neighbors hated me, so I had to put the muffler on. Don't hate me for that. I did have to have the exhaust customized so it could just fit within the frame. I just had to have it basically cut here and moved in. No ram star clutch with the blue springs. 3100 RPM engagement with the blue springs. Red springs are factory at 2500. Big improvement with the blue springs. It says the 15 tooth with the bearings in it. Anything under 15 teeth doesn't have bearings. So it's a 15 and an 83 in the rear. Engine turns 8500 RPMs. So you can do the math on the speed. Might go to a torque converter. We have the this here holds my phone. We have the dead man switch. If you fall off, comes out. Brake does have a push button parking brake, and as you can see, we got the rabbit this way and the turtle that way. No front brakes at the moment. This is the Nitro 50 frame. I did add that welded bar on the bottom there, the foot pegs, and instead of running just those axle locks that they put, I just put a sleeve over the 5/8 inch axle, just a piece of pipe with the 5/8 inch inside diameter, and just use that as a bushing to center the wheel. It's a lot more stable this way. Steering dampener. As you can see, the geometry was a little tricky to work out, but I just put a nut underneath it, a bolt through it with the nut underneath it, and a lock nut on the bottom, and just welded a long nut to the frame. Just kind of figured out where it would work with the turning the best, so I'd have the most range of turn. Yeah, that's about it. I'll make a video next of me doing some real rips on this thing. I still need to get some foot grips. Something I'll probably end up just custom making them. And I still need to get the bike painted. So right now it's just in primer. But funny. But yeah, that's the bike. It's badass. Oh, and by the way, I know I got like 34 subscribers now. Slowly going up, and I appreciate that. If there's any way you guys could hit the like button, you know, that would really help the videos. So, not that you have to, but if you want to. So, thanks guys.